Welcome back to my channel CloudSAS. Today we are going to see how to show multiple values in a card. When users select from the slicer, the value should show multiple in a card. When there is no selection from the slicer, the card should display as category not selected. When the user select the particular value as beauty, it shows in the beauty. But when users select the second value, it shows in the first card as beauty and delimited by a pipeline, and second card shows beauty and the second value shows in the next line. So we are going to see how to create this. So here I have created the slicer and pulled out the category over here, and let us create the measure for this. Let me name it as multi-value and delimited as pipeline. So before we get into this main picture, I just want to show how isFilter the function is working over here. So let's use isFilter, and it's asking about this table name or column name, and that returns true when there are direct filters on the specific column. Let's say I have placed the category in the slicer, so let me place the category in the isFilter function, and let me commit this. So when I place a new car over here, and let me pull out the measure. Since nothing has been selected from the slicer, so it returns false. When I select beauty, it will return true. So if I select multiple values also, it will return true. When I clear this, it will return false since nothing has been selected. So this is the logic we are going to use there. Let me use if condition over here, and let's consider the isFilter function as logical testing, and let's go directly with the true. If the result is true, that is something has been filtered, then show me the result. For this, let me get into the new line, and let's go with the next function, which means we are just going to concatenate it. We are going to concatenate the x. So what the concatenate x will do, it will do the calculation in the each row of the column. Okay, so the syntax for this is table. So we can pull the table, and before that I want to get the distinct value from the table. See, we have multiple duplicate values in the category column, so I want to get it a distinct value. So let me pass the distinct function over here, and it asks about the column name or table expression. Let me call it as category, then, and it asks about the expression. Okay, let me just put category as an expression over here, and delimiter. So delimiter for this, since we are doing the pipeline, let me place within the string. Okay, then order by. So order by expressions, again I just want to give the same category over here, and I just want it the ascending order. So let me just select ascending order. Okay, now the if condition result has been completed. Let me just put comma, and it will ask about the, if the result is false, then what we want to show. So for this, let me put category not selected, and within the quote let me place and close this, and let me commit. See here, since nothing has been selected, it shows the value as category not selected. But when I select beauty, it will return beauty as an output. But when I go select multiple value from the slicer, it will return as beauty and delimited with pipeline and books. Okay, fine. So let me clear this. Let me reduce the size. Fine. Now I just copy the same visuals and paste it. Here I just remove this existing measure, and let me create new measure to show the values in a new line. So let me name it as multi-value underscore new line. So for this I am applying the same formula, which is if condition if is filtered, then which filter is category filter. Okay, then comma, and result to, if the result is true, then I just want to, okay, concatenate x, and I just want to use distinct function with the column as category, then table, okay, table expression as again the same category, then delimiter with, okay, here delimiter we have to use unichar 10, which shows as a new line. Okay, then order by expression is again category, then ascending order. Okay, fine, let me close this bracket, and if the result is false, then I just want to show category not selected. Okay, so let me commit this. Okay, here if you see, nothing has been selected and both the card shows the category not selected. Fine. Okay, so let me select beauty here. The first card shows okay, second card shows beauty, and let me select books. See here the first card shows delimited pipeline and second card shows the books as a new line. Okay, if I select multiple values from the slicer, it will display accordingly. And thanks for watching my channel Cloud SAS. And if you want to share some scenarios, please do share with me or put it in the comments. Let me go through this. Thank you.